Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely adorable Play-Doh Shaun the sheep. He looks so real, doesn't he? For this, you're only going to need white Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, a Play-Doh knife, and a toothpick. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to make Shaun's head. We're going to do this out of black. Make sure you set aside some black to do the detail later on. Keep going until you're happy with the shape. It should look kind of like an egg. Now take your toothpick. We're going to make 2 holes for Shaun's nostrils. And we're also going to make a smile. Like this. Looking good. Now we're going to take some of the black Play-Doh to make Shaun's ears. Smooth down the edges. They should look like a long skinny teardrop. Add them to the top of his head. And don't forget to do both of them. Cute! Now we're going to make eyes for Shaun so he can see. We're going to make the eyes out of white Play-Doh. Make them big and round, then stick them on. Use a tiny bit of black Play-Doh to add the detail. Just like so. And don't forget, Shaun needs some wool on top of his head. Use a bit of the white Play-Doh to add this. We want to make the shape round, and then using our Play-Doh knife, cut away some sections of the edge. This will give it texture and make it look more like wool. See? Super cute! Now set the head aside because we're going to make Shaun's body. First of all, we're going to make 2 thin sausage shapes out of the black Play-Doh. Flatten them at the top, and don't forget to make 2. These are going to be Shaun's legs. We're going to sit our white Play-Doh on top of them, like so. Now take some more black Play-Doh, because we need to make Shaun's arms. See? Add them to the top of his body, and soon we're going to add his head on top. Don't forget to do his second arm. Now we're going to take our toothpick and add it to the top of Shaun's body. And to finish it all off, we're going to add his head on top. And there you go! Doesn't he look good? A Play-Doh Shaun the sheep. Today I am going to show you how to make some really awesome Angry Birds Play-Doh. Doesn't this look great? So for this you're going to need yellow Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, black Play-Doh and red Play-Doh. So let's start with the red Play-Doh. We want to break off some and we're going to take the main part and roll it into a ball. Next we want to take some of our white Play-Doh and press it flat. This is going to be Red's tummy, so let's put it on the front of our red ball. Now we're taking some of our yellow Play-Doh to make Red's beak. It looks kind of like a pyramid, doesn't it? Stick it on the front, like so. And already, Red is starting to take shape. Now, of course, we need to do his eyes. Use white Play-Doh to make them. Roll them into a ball and stick them above his beak. Isn't he looking great? Now we're going to do the center of the eyes with black. Looking good! Finally, Red isn't red without his angry eyebrows. So let's put them on. Now all we need to do is to make the feather on top. Use your excess red Play-Doh to do this. Now we're going to make Chuck. We need to make him out of yellow, of course. We want to make a sort of pyramid shape, but we want it to be soft around the edges. Next, we're going to take some of our white Play-Doh and flatten it. Add it on his tummy. Now we need to take some more white Play-Doh to make his eyes. He's already looking good. Add some black for detail. We want to make a beak for Chuck as well. Add it on. And now we're going to make red eyebrows. Isn't he looking good? Finally, we want to take some of our black Play-Doh. We need to add his feather on top. Like so. And he's done! Don't they look great? Red and Chuck. Absolutely awesome Angry Birds Play-Doh. Today, I am going to show you how to make a super cute Humpty Dumpty Play-Doh. So let's get started. For this, you're going to need some eyes, a Play-Doh knife, a rolling pin, black Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, and white Play-Doh. So the first thing we want to do is to take our white Play-Doh. We need to make an egg shape to make the body of Humpty. Roll it around. Keep going until it's a perfect shape. Now we're going to take our yellow Play-Doh and roll it flat using the rolling pin. This is to make Humpty's trousers, so we're going to roll it around Humpty's body, like so. Cut off any excess at the bottom. And now we want to smooth it down. Looking good! It kind of looks like an egg in an egg cup, doesn't it? So, now we're going to take some red Play-Doh. Roll a thin piece of spaghetti, and then flatten it. This is going to be the waistband of Humpty's trousers. Keep going until it goes all the way around. Great! Now we're going to take some of our red Play-Doh and roll it flat. We want to cut it into 2 different triangles. These triangles are going to form Humpty's collar, so we want to stick them at the front. Like so. Humpty's looking great already. Now it's time to make his buttons, and we're going to do this with the red Play-Doh. I'm now adding our googly eyes. We want Humpty to be able to see. Now we're going to roll out some black Play-Doh. we want to make a tiny little spaghetti shape, and this is to make Humpty's mouth. We're also going to use 2 long bits of black to make Humpty's legs. Make sure they're the same length. Now we're going to take a long bit of red Play-Doh, roll it into a spaghetti shape, and then we're going to add a white ball at the end. This is Humpty's arm and his hand. We need to do this twice because he's got 2 of each. Stick it on either side of Humpty's body. Now we're going to make red shoes for Humpty. We need to make 2 of them. And finally, I'm going to make Humpty's hat. We're going to use red Play-Doh to do this, so roll it flat and cut a circle. Now we're going to add the top of the hat. It should look like a cone. And we can then stick it on top of Humpty. And there we have it, Humpty Dumpty. All you have to do is find a wall for him to sit on. Isn't that fun? Humpty Dumpty Play-Doh. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel above, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!